Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of beautiful modern sliding wardrobe designs and tips for choosing bedroom sliding wardrobes, which easy-to-use ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. As you get ready in the morning, there are a few things that you expect. You expect that you will be able to find an outfit which looks good, and you also expect that you can gain easy access to your clothes. Unlike other pieces of furniture, bedroom sliding wardrobes are one addition to your room which can actually help you to get ready in the morning. These can make your world a lot more convenient. This is due to the ability to install a mirror on the doors, as well as the fact that you can choose models which are extremely easy to operate. Whether you want something which looks like sliding cupboard doors or you want something which is completely modern, it is possible to find the door which is as easy to use as it is attractive to look at. For the most part, you should look for doors which have an easy slide system. You can also choose models which will allow you to have automatic entrance to your wardrobe. Remember that whether you go custom or you go rustic, these two ideas are to make sure that while you are getting ready in the morning, you do not need anything complicated to operate. 1. Installing doors which are made to slide. It does not matter whether your wardrobe with sliding doors is mirrored or painted. What is important is that it is fitted with the right kinds of casters to make the function of the door easy to operate. The best doors can be operated with the use of only one finger. While these kinds of doors are not usually cheap, it is possible for you to find the doors that you want to install in your home which will not break your budget. This way, you can get the look you want for any income level. 2. Installing automatic doors. Many like to have bedroom sliding wardrobes which are fully automated. There are those which will open as soon as you walk up to them. There are others which will open at the touch of a button. This can help you to gain easy access to your clothes without having to do much of anything at all. The more automated the system is, the easier you will be able to gain access to your clothes. Just make sure that the door will not close on you while you are reaching for your clothes. You are sure to enjoy your brand new doors, no matter what you choose. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of beautiful modern sliding wardrobe design ideas and for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.